A central driving force as to why we choose to live where we do, in the manner that we do, lies within the immediate access granted to the outdoors. No matter the time of day or time of year, one of nature's best playgrounds surrounds us in all directions.
Here at the cabin, adventure rests at our fingertips. We can easily find adventure each day right outside the door or a short drive away. Whether that's meandering countless miles of old logging roads, perusing the banks of nearby brooks and their fishing holes, or summiting the Green Mountains peaks.
To us, the spaces around us are paradise on earth. We're both grateful and elated to have begun building ourselves a sustainable homestead nestled amongst the ridgelines.
A place to live with the land and create copious memories while sharing it all with friends and family.